Hey, what's going on, guys? Chris Ramirez here, and I just want to come to you with a honest review of a product that is about to be released pretty soon called Automated Commission System by Benjamin Fletcher. Okay, I went through the entire course from start to finish, no skipping, no nothing. Guys, what Benjamin put together for you is a treasure trove of knowledge and something you can use immediately in your business. He covers paid traffic, he covers free traffic, he covers the techniques he uses when he does his emails, the sequences he runs, and plus I wanted to mention two bonuses that you'll be getting from me. Okay. I'll get. I'm gonna go ahead and get those bonuses right out the way before I show you the back end members area and add my commentary to it as well. But the first bonus for picking up automated commission system is I will go ahead and do an update of the training he shows in Aweber because it's a little aged, and I want to go ahead and bridge that gap by showing you the new system Aweber has. It's no longer called automations; it's called flows. Okay, and the layout looks different from what he showed you. I will help you bridge that gap, but what he showed you is pure gold, and the three sites or the three traffic sites as far as paid he shows and some free traffic of what he shows as well. Okay, so first bonus will be my updated version to help bridge the gap of what he's talking about with the emails he sets up in his autoresponder. Okay, that'll be the first bonus. Okay, it's basically me updating you with the new layout. Well, what he's trying to show you that is extremely insane and effective. Just me going through the course taught me something about how to create FOMO inside of your emails itself with a special website. So that's going to be cool, and I'm definitely going to show that in the bonus. Okay, the second bonus is a secret bonus. I'm gonna leave that to let that wander into your mind. It's a secret bonus. It will be about another form of free traffic generation. Okay, so stay tuned and pick up the offer so you can receive that other way of driving traffic to uh, um, uh, your opt-in page, your squeeze page that he shows you how to set up, so that you basically replicate what Benjamin's doing. Okay, so let's go through it. First page, he talks about the introduction and then gives you the gist of it, working parts, all that stuff. After that, when you click go to main page, the next section you'll go to is is basically the system he has. Okay. And here's the system at a bird's eye view. You could see it on the thumbnail here. He has the traffic, which he talks about three paid traffic methods his go-tos are. Okay. He talks about how to set up the opt-in form and then have it go to the affiliate offer after you have them tagged through what he shows through Aweber, which I will help you bridge with the new layout of Aweber, okay, in your bonus that you get when you pick up Automated Commission System by Benjamin Fletcher, okay? He shows you the three email sequences, and he shows you a secret tool that has a countdown timer internally inside of the email to create fear of missing out or FOMO, okay? Made a ton of sense, and the logic for the three emails he talks about made a ton of sense too. You're able to download the logic itself, okay? And then he has this right here video too. The profits are in the process, okay? He talks about what's going on there. Download the quick start guide. So I believe I downloaded this quick start guide. I'm gonna wait till I go into the training for your bonus to show you what's going on. And he talks about networks and offers on video 3. Okay, I'm not sure what this is. What's that? Selling more. That's JV Zoo. He talks about JV Zoo, talks about Warrior Plus, talks about ClickBank even. Bonus, you got a bonus video here. How to choose profitable affiliate products. He goes into detail about what metrics to look for. Okay. Are there here today, gone tomorrow kinds of people? Things like that. He goes into great detail, okay? He shows you how to set up the Aweber autoresponder in great detail. Okay, now this is a bit aged, but I am an Aweber user, so I'm up to date with what he's getting at. So the bonus you get for picking up automation commission system, or I believe that's what it was. Automated, yeah, automated commission system. Okay, is I will show you the new, where it used to be automations. It's now called flows. Okay, where you click on automation and then you have campaigns. That's what I'm sorry. It used to be called campaigns, I believe. Campaigns is turned into flows. So that training in the bonus, the first one, I'll show you. Okay. All right, and then when you click onto the next, when you click where it says next, how to create landing page, he strictly uses Aweber, showing you how to do this, guys. Once you choose what offer you want to promote, okay? And then he shows you how to build it out, how to set up your autoresponder, even with the free account. Like he shows you the bare bones, okay? Landing page build out. You got video 2 right here. So you just watch it. He shows you how to do it. It's easy, step by step. Aweber is user friendly, in my opinion. I think it's user friendly. Um, it just is, okay. Next video, he shows you lead capture page writer AI, create concise and persuasive copy for opt-in pages using content directly from the users, upload it lead magnet in PDF form. Okay, now he could be talking about maybe not even a PDF or just the sales page itself. um he has a custom GPT. Okay, this is it. The custom GPT is called Commission Ninja for email sequence, and I just didn't really say anything. Let me click it again and see if we can get it to start a new instance. But anyhow, you get access to it. It's called Commission Engine email sequence. It says, welcome to get started. Please enter a valid URL you'd like me to work with. Just drop the actual affiliate link here, affiliate product link here. That means the direct page, not your affiliate link. So it can scan and do what it's trained on that Ben had put together for you guys. So that's what you get as far as the custom GPT. So it comes with a nice custom GPT. Now, when you click to messaging and automation, you'll be sent here, okay? And he's showing you, and he basically recaps on the system right here of what has been done. All right. And that's what's going on. Then he's got video 2. He shows you his 3 email sequence and how to organize it in a text document to get ready, plus to take, when you copy over into a text document from like sales pages, it takes out formatting. Okay. There's few different ways to take out formatting, but you could follow along with what he's got going on here to take out the formatting. Another way you could take out formatting, guys, because he uses a text doc, you could use a Google Doc, and then when you paste into Google Doc, you see the formatting there. You could highlight all. You can go to at the top where you have the options on Google Doc. I'm not actually showing you real time, I'm just kind of you know, talking you through it. And you can go where it says formatting or format. And when you click it, Dropbox, all at the bottom, around the bottom from that Dropbox, when you click clear formatting, it'll also clear formatting that way as well. Okay, so I just want to get that out of there, get that out the way. Okay, now the ACS email cache sequence is what he's showing you. Okay, there, just follow along, download his sequence on the bonus. I will be following along his sequence, showing you the new way to do it with flows. Okay. Um, Video 4, get leads into your ecosystem. You want to automate everything with the 3 email sequence method he shows you. All that good stuff. Follow step by step. Like I said, this layout has changed. The bonus will show the new flow layout. I will basically recreate his training here with the flows layout, so you know that you can follow along. Okay. I'm probably gonna make it a quick mock-up, so you guys get the gist of it, because he's seen great detail in this training. Okay. So it's a Commission Ninja 5-part email sequence writer. I think we already clicked on that, or was that a double up? Okay, he's just reminding you again. Okay, to help you write emails, you got it trained on all that good stuff. Um, and knowing Benjamin Fletcher, he's a great copywriter. He's great at copy. So I'm sure he has it trained and such that it talks like him. Okay, the cleverness and wordplay and all that good stuff. Okay, this is great training, guys. I learned something as far as my email marketing game for FOMO, of a specific site to use. Okay, after going through the course. Okay, so let's go to the next part. Okay, and this I believe is the traffic. Yeah, testing. Oh no, just testing. So yeah, you go through here, tells you how to go ahead and test it, make sure everything's working, so on and so forth. And the next one is driving paid traffic. He talks about Udemy. He has a process on how to filter out the trash from the better ones. Now, he does admit it is a hit and miss right here, okay, for the first paid traffic method. The second paid traffic method he uses religiously is called Traffic Zest. He goes into great detail about it. It's all by private link. Okay, when you pick up the course, you will have the invitation to use Traffic Zest because it's not public for you to just go and start a campaign with them. Yeah, it's by invite only, and through this course, you're getting through invite only from Benjamin Fletcher himself. Okay, then he has wholesale premium traffic. Okay, and he'll have the link for you to go ahead and check them out. He tells you to start small. Okay, in the beginning, start small. After you set up everything else he talks about, as far as this system right here. Okay, the map, because this is it right here. This whole thing right here, that is what his system's based on. Okay, before you drive the traffic. Okay. Okay, I think we covered this right here. Yeah, we covered this. Okay, and then next, let's see, that's testing your system. That's the traffic, how to drive the traffic, and then he goes into free traffic. All right, traffic method one, medium, and medium is something I talked about in one of my past promos because medium, next to a plethora of other sites, Chat GPT pulls from for queries. So not only is it like medium you get traffic from, if you're in mass posting consistently on medium, you can also be put in a position to where you're curated onto getting traffic through certain large language models as well. Okay, if the traffic is good. Now he did do a little collab with Kevin Farhay, and Kevin Farhay went ahead and explained some free traffic methods. Now I can attest to some of these free traffic methods because I understand proactive audience building and I understand attractive audience building on Facebook through Facebook groups and how to look for them. I'll probably have that as a third bonus that you do know of. Some of you people that did purchase some of my past products, I talked about proactive audience building, and I'm probably just gonna have a refresher on that. And I might actually like play it in commentary to so that I can have my updated take on how you can go about doing it as well. So let's make that three bonuses. As you can see, I'm pretty much off the cuff. I am excited about this product. I'm excited to get this product into your hands. Okay, and to get you your bonuses. Okay, your updated bonuses to bridge the data, because you can see you got some dated stuff here. Like that's a dated Facebook layout, and you have a dated Aweber layout, which I will help you bridge through with the bonuses you get from me. Also, on top of my take on proactive audience building. Okay, I love proactive audience building because it's faster traffic. It's just quicker traffic. Okay, that's you searching. That's you being a hunter of leads. All right. Now if you feel you can't bring yourself to that, best of luck. Okay, because the other ways take time. Proactive audience building on social media is quick on Facebook, especially, and getting them to your community. All right, I'm a big advocate of proactive audience building, driving to community and launching products and driving them to community. Okay, because it all feeds on itself. Okay, so it looks like you're gonna be getting three bonuses here, guys. Okay, the bridged updated content of what Benjamin's talking about. Okay, oh, what's going on? Probably hit a button. What Benjamin's talking about, and you'll be updated in that regard till they change the layout again. So this will be pretty recent. You'll be able to finish the course without being lost and having to do a YouTube search. The first bonus will cover that. I guess the second bonus I'll leave it at the pro as a proactive audience building. I'm gonna go revisit my old training, and then I'm gonna add commentary. And so to get that second bonus to you, and the third bonus is a secret traffic bonus. Okay, it's a secret. So I'm gonna leave it at a secret for the third bonus, and it's priceless too. And it's a way to generate leads that you can also put what Benjamin is showing you with his 3 email sequence follow up. And the psychology behind it. Okay, so go ahead and click that link below in the description. You'll see that link. Pick up automated commission system by Benjamin Fletcher. All right, grab your 3 bonuses. They're easy to get. You'll see them right when you go to the Access Purchase portal. It's like a big button that says access your bonuses. Hey, the keyword bonuses. Okay, click that and you'll get your bonus stack from me. It'll probably be in doc form. Sometimes I'll use my website. It just depends. Um, but I really want to get this information to you because what he showed me in this, like, I learned so much going through this course that I'm also going to implement it into this promotion of his course. This guy's a beast. He's very good at his craft. He's always crushing leaderboards. Get with Benjamin Fletcher and get your bonuses, your exclusive bonuses by your guy, Chris Ramirez. I'll see you guys in the members area and in the bonus delivery area. Y'all be blessed.